ice magic. A -10-degree ice playground for families. Jackets and boots are provided, but remember to bring your own gloves and beanies. Time to have some snowy fun. Have a go at the 70m tall snow slide. And have you ever seen cycling on ice? Definitely something for even Grandma too. Another must try, the figure 8 ice slide. Get ready for a fast route down. There will also be activities for the younger ones too, and the kids will not want to go home. Bye bye, see you next time.